Alright, so here we are. My husband said I couldn't cuss, so I was going to be authentic and show really who I am. He says I can't cuss in this. But I want to show you about this belly fat machine that I bought. And it better take the pounds off because TikTok made me buy it. So let's try it out. This is my fat machine. Here's the cream that we insert under the belly. To like 7 or 8, and then it says the timer's 30 minutes, but I've already used it for 10 minutes, so I'm going to do it for 20. But then you start, and with the lotion, it gives a real high noise beam going off in your ears, a real loud ringing noise. And the more the lotion that you put on, the higher the ring is. So, but you'll go back and forth for like 3 minutes one way, and then you'll go in circular motions, and it's in really deep. And the deeper it is, the more it gives that ringing noise out. So the noise of my ears is horrible. I hate that. But